Hello everyone, this is Nilesh and we are here at Digital Dopes. Thank you for taking time to join us today in this video as we show you the step-by-step process to access MSConfig, the system configuration tool in Windows 11. So, without a further ado, let's get started. First, you need to press Windows plus R key, type MSConfig and hit enter or click OK. There you go, the system configuration tool, also called MSConfig, will open. Click on the start menu or click on the search icon in the taskbar and type MSConfig. Click on the system configuration to open MSConfig. In this way, you can open MSConfig from start menu. Now let's open MSConfig from the File Explorer. Click on the File Explorer and click on this PC. Navigate to C drive where the operating system is installed. Navigate to Windows folder and then to the System32 folder. Now look for msconfig.exe file, double click to open it, and there you go. The system configuration tool is open now. Now let's open MSConfig from command prompt. Click on start menu and type command prompt and click on it to open command prompt. Type start MSConfig or MSConfig. These both commands will open MSConfig in the computer. If you face any issues while implementing this solution, make sure to drop a comment. Someone from Digital Dopes will get back to you as soon as possible. And to see more useful tricks like this in future, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, just like and share this video to show your support. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Take care.